Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.
Decent Machinery centrifugal fans enhance the performance of HVAC systems in healthcare facilities by providing consistent and high-efficiency airflow that ensures optimal temperature, humidity, and air quality control. Our fans improve indoor air quality, reduce the risk of airborne infections, and enhance patient comfort. Customers in hospitals, clinics, and laboratories have reported significant improvements in HVAC efficiency and patient satisfaction with our fans. As a manufacturer and service provider, we deliver solutions that optimize the performance and reliability of HVAC systems in healthcare settings.
Decent machinery, decent services. Contact us now.